What is up? It is the day after Sebring and I'm about to unpack the S14, which I haven't unpacked yet, and we're gonna do some more practice. If you didn't watch the track day, go ahead and click the card at the top of the screen and go watch that real fast and then come back here. I got the GoPros, I'm gonna load these up and then we're gonna head over to our famous home course. We have a new driver today. I'm gonna introduce you guys, hopefully. So more S14's on the channel is pretty awesome. I feel so awkward just bent over like this. So I'm gonna put these GoPros in the car and we're gonna leave. We're gonna go. We're gonna drive. Let's go drive.
We're gonna die. Let's go die.
It's time to head to the local spot. Oh, it's so heavy. Alright bro, so this is the 1JS14.
Yes, sir.
That was supposed to be with us in the last 2 sessions, finally made it out.
Jay-Z's always running a little hot in 240s, but I think we're good as long as we don't keep pushing crazy once the temp goes up a little bit. We just gotta get some good intermissions in.
This guy wants to tandem already. So we're probably gonna go like back to back, but not too close, we'll see. And we got a little bit of a crowd, which is kind of cool, so.
Tire speed size set at 30. Okay.
Something I gotta check.
Yo, how was that?
That was good. I just heard a pop, so I gotta check.
I saw that, bro. It was a little flame.
It was a flame?
I think so. Let me ask Johnny.
Okay, yeah, because I want to make sure I didn't break shit. Yo, you'll never guess what happened, bro. Yo, he accidentally hit the fire extinguisher and we just got so close in fire extinguisher, bro. Yeah, bro. Mid-run, my boy Johnny here accidentally hit the fire extinguisher. Soaked us, but it's all good. That was a good run. First time for everything. I don't know if y'all can see the phone, but
Wow, what the fuck?
yeah, we'll go to the hospital after this. As you guys saw, those runs were goddamn amazing. Really excited I got to drive with my boy Brandon. We have work tomorrow, so we're gonna head back to the shop in a little bit, but the S14 did a really good job. Both of our S14s did a good job. Brandon got into third gear and he started linking it pretty good. I came back around, I just wanted to get a little finale at the end there.
On the first couple of runs, I feel like I was running out of gear. Once I hit third gear and just took the whole track on third, we were chilling. Car's good. Gotta let it cool down a little bit. Well, it's good now, but you know, Jay-Z's always running a little hot. The main guy is here.
Back in town, baby, back in town. Oh God, that was cringe. And we're gonna talk about the elephant in the room, and that is the fire extinguisher event. Anyway, that was really cringe, but we're just gonna pretend that, just forget about it. It happened, it's over, it's done. It is not Johnny's fault at all. Not his fault at all. He got in the car, it was dark, the light wasn't on. Obviously, that's his first time riding in my car or even really seeing my car in person. I did not have the pin in the fire extinguisher because the clip broke. Pulled the handbrake and I just see a ton of smoke and I'm like, that's a lot of tire smoke. And then we just keep going and I'm just like, this is some weird tire smoke. And when we finished, Johnny said, oh, my bad, I pushed this by accident. I'm like, oh, what happened? You pushed what? And I'm like, oh, that smoke was the fire extinguisher. Maybe we should pull over now. I have never seen my car shoot a flame that big. That was amazing. That was sick. Hopefully you guys could have clearly saw it on the video. I'm dying to get back in the home shop. As soon as the Genesis is fixed and out of the garage, the 240 is going straight back. I don't know anything about Mustangs, but we got a little track Mustang in the shop. Got a nice little GT2 RS. There's a couple things we need to do for the 240, just like overall maintenance. That thing is beat up, not like terribly, but that thing's beat up from Sebring and obviously the drift session we just did earlier. It's in the red. And you can't pass track inspection if it's anywhere in the red. So we have to replace it. This time, I am not taking the pin out or anything to do with the trigger handle. I'm not touching any of that. I just did a quick glance over the bolts and stuff in the back for the suspension and everything, axle bolts. Basically like a fast bolt check, everything's fine. I know my lugs are fine. We're probably gonna, me and Brandon, tighten those down at the drift spot Right now I'm missing a rib nut or the rib nut hardware. We've been driving so much that I haven't had any time to actually sit down, relax, and maintain the S14. Honestly, I think this is gonna be our last drift session for a little bit, especially with the whining noise from the transmission. You guys better leave a like, because the reason that happened is because I'm holding the camera with one hand and releasing the jack with the other. I sacrificed my bumper almost for you guys, and this was not cheap. Leave a like. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm on the highway right now and it's starting to rain. If it does rain, I'll get to test those. If it doesn't, that would be great. I don't like rain drift. Well, I don't not like rain drifting, but I prefer drifting in the dry. I don't know, I just like it better, you know? Oh my God, it sounds insane. Holy. That was nice. We got busted, which sucks. So that was FHP, or Florida Highway Patrol, and they do not play. The car felt phenomenal tonight. It felt super, super good. I wasn't low on grip, I wasn't high on grip. It was like kind of a nice in between. Obviously, if I want to be super aggressive, I would want more grip, but it's doable and I can work with it. I was doing what I usually do in sim, which is you kind of load it up and you go like that, you flick it back, and I was throwing the wheel at the same time to just make sure I don't spin out. The transitions were not bad. It felt pretty fast. As you guys saw, I freaking linked back section. That, I mean, it's like mind-blowing. The feeling of doing that is insane. And there's a guardrail right there, so you're basically loading up and throwing it towards the guardrail. It's crazy. It took me so long to build up skill and experience and confidence to actually try that. Probably one of my best drifting videos of all time. Feint entries, fast transitions, I mean, as fast as I could tonight. And we linked all of Truck Stop, which is just insane to think about.